Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2017 Ford F-250 diesel. This vehicle comes equipped with two batteries, both of which are positioned in the front corners of the engine bay, with unobstructed access to both sets of terminals and brackets that lie right across their tops. Jump-starting or replacing these batteries should be easy to do. Connecting your phone to the vehicle via Bluetooth is a relatively straightforward process. The clear instructions on the menu and the simple and close setup of the control panel will make for a hassle-free connection procedure. Both the oil drain plug and the oil filter are easily accessible from underneath the vehicle. You won't have to crawl too far back nor remove any panels to reach these parts for an oil change. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. The entire housing and the grille will need to be disconnected before you can reach the headlights. This will require multiple tools to remove many different fasteners, and you'll need to use some force to disengage these parts from the vehicle, making for a complicated procedure. The glove box and many additional panels will need to be removed for access to the cabin air filter. Although the entire glove box housing won't need to be removed, you will still need tools to disengage some of these parts, and once removed, the reach for the filter itself will be rather tight. The spare tire is stored underneath the vehicle and must be lowered via the jack extension in the bumper hole. This is an unintuitive design, as the spare could become rusted to the undercarriage and be rendered inaccessible in the event you'll need to service a flat. Overall, the 2017 Ford F-250 diesel is a somewhat difficult truck to maintain, but it may be a good fit for those with prior knowledge in vehicle maintenance.